Fresh off the truck. CNH 4.75 12-bolt axle. It says it's new, but we can tell that it's been ran. So a little investigating tells us it was a test axle. We're gonna check it out before we actually sell it or ship it. If you can't read, well, that number's hard to read, but anyway, this one here, I think we're just gonna sell it the way it sits, everything on it. We can do this as a conversion. We've been working on that, so you have to check back with us on that piece. But so let's just call it a low hour axle. It's fair enough.